This is my 2011 Superduty 6.7 liter. Been having an exhaust smell inside the cab, mostly at stoplights. I read some forums and I read on this fitting that goes to the exhaust gas pressure sensor. So I looked at it and I reached up in there. It's quite a reach, but you can see that the fitting is not even screwed on. You can see the soot and everything that's built up. So I'm going to tighten that up, and hopefully that will take care of my problem. I will update later. I'll let you know.